Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Recaptcha to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you created on Wix. So right now, just go to the site you want to add the reCAPTCHA to. So I'm going to select this site, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. After that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. Once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of these sections. So go all the way down until you find edit site, and then go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this tab right here. So all you need to do guys right now is wait for the page to load, and once it's loaded, you will be here in the editor. So once you're here in the editor for Wix, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. So right now, the first thing that you need to do guys to add CAPTCHA is click on the div mode. Go ahead and turn on the developer mode. And then once you do that, go ahead and use the search tool right here in the top right and search for reCAPTCHA. Once you do that, you're going to find this right here. So go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see guys right here, you can add it. So just go ahead and drag it to the place where you want to place it. And then as you can see guys, this is how you can add the reCAPTCHA. So right now, make sure you turn off the developer mode, click again on dev mode, and then click on turn off developer mode. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.